is Thomas Troward, the brilliant British judge and metaphysical sage whose elegant writings from over a century ago unveiled the hidden mechanics of the universe as a vast mental realm where your focused assumptions and creative thoughts could summon prosperity, healing, and fulfillment like a masterful architect designing a palace from pure idea. Envision a man who, from the bench of colonial India, discerned that reality bends to the will of the mind, influencing legends like Charles Haanel and William Walker Atkinson, and offering a blueprint so precise it could turn your wildest ambitions into tangible triumphs without brute force or chance. What if his refined, step-by-step system of mental causation could empower you to live as the director of your destiny, attracting success as naturally as breathing? Tune in closely, for this video reveals his captivating journey and timeless wisdom. And by the end, I'll guide you step by step through his method, showing you exactly how to apply it to achieve whatever you want in your life.
All your dreams and live the life you deserve.
This is the distilled Troward technique from his creative process teachings, a methodical pathway of mental alignment that, when followed, bridges intention to realization. It's intellectual, intuitive, and profoundly effective with regular use. Let's commence. First, assimilate the foundational principle. The universal mind is your origin and instrument, ever ready to fulfill through your directed thought. So, commence each session affirming, "I am a conscious expression of infinite spirit. My assumptions create my world." This fosters unity and authority. To ready yourself, cultivate a disciplined mental hygiene. Eschew contrary ideas from media or conversation, and journal daily positives to prime receptivity. Step 1. Attunement. Recognize and harmonize with the infinite source. Troward insisted on beginning with the awareness of spirit as the undifferentiated whole from which all manifestation proceeds. To apply this, in solitude, meditate for 3 to 4 minutes. Inhale deeply, envisioning pure potentiality as luminous energy enveloping you, and exhale any sense of separation. Affirm, "I attune to the one mind. Divine intelligence flows through me unrestricted." Feel the expansive peace. This establishes the creative base, dissolving ego barriers, and should be done twice daily for attunement's depth. Step 2. Identification. Declare your individuality within the whole, affirming your unique capacity to particularize the infinite, positioning yourself as the directive force. Troward described this as the soul's role in bridging universal to personal. To apply this, build on attunement. State with resolution, "As an individualized center of God-mind, I direct creative energy with purpose and wisdom." Visualize yourself as a focused beam from the cosmic light, holding for 1 to 2 minutes. This empowers specificity, preventing vague outcomes, essential as Troward exemplified in his legal precision applied to metaphysics. Step 3. Conception. Form a clear, positive idea of the desired end. Articulate your goal rationally and vividly, free from negation, as the seed thought. Troward taught that the subjective mind requires a definite impress. To apply this, write or mentally outline your desire in present terms. For harmony, "I experience perfect relational peace and joy now." Contemplate its logic and benefits for 4 to 5 minutes, ensuring alignment with evolutionary good. This clarifies the blueprint, avoiding dilution. Practice with one goal initially, refining as intuition guides. Step 4. Assumption. Embody the feeling of fulfillment. Immerse in the emotional state of the wish realized, assuming it as current reality to vitalize the conception. Troward deemed the feeling the great secret, the language of spirit. To apply this, transition to visualization. For 5 to 7 minutes, dwell in the scene. Feel the prosperity's security, the health's vigor, engaging senses and emotions fully. If resistance emerges, gently persist. "This is my now state." Perform before sleep for subconscious embedding, mirroring Troward's meditative routines. Step 6. Affirmation. Project the assumption with authoritative declaration. vocalize or think the truth to command the law, reinforcing the impress. Troward viewed this as the conscious will's fiat. To apply this, repeat crafted affirmations 4 to 6 times with conviction. My assumption of abundance is now objectified through divine channels. It manifests harmoniously. Infuse with feeling, as if issuing a decree. Integrate into affirmations throughout the day. This propels the idea forward, as Troward noted in Manifestation Anecdotes. Step 7. Non-resistance and faith. Release and trust to the law's fulfillment. Troward warned resistance retards movement, faith accelerates. To apply this, conclude with, I commit this to infinite wisdom. The perfect result unfolds in divine order. Bask in assurance for 2 minutes, then act expectantly. Pursue opportunities without desperation. Journal emerging signs to bolster faith. Repeat if needed, but avoid forcing. Step 8. Continuation and refinement. Sustain the practice for integration. Troward stressed habitual assumption to embed it as identity. To apply this, engage the full sequence morning and evening for 28 days, reviewing weekly. Adjust conceptions based on insights. Expand to new desires. Maintain a mental atmosphere of positivity, studying Troward's texts. Persistence, he affirmed, evolves the practitioner into a master creator. That's Thomas Troward's complete method via the creative process, step by step, equipping you to wield mental science and manifest your envisioned world. By attuning, identifying, conceiving, assuming, affirming, releasing in faith, and continuing, you'll invoke the universal mind's bounty for prosperity and peace. Embrace it today and transform. If this enlightened you, like the video, subscribe for more philosophical gems, and comment your core assumption. Thanks for watching. Remember, the mind is the builder. Construct wisely.